Today we want to apply design to the can. So make a selection of the can, then Ctrl J to duplicate. When you are done, create a rectangle shape and reduce opacity. But before you do that, you must convert the shape layer to smart object. So now, when you are done, Ctrl T to transform. Now right click, then select warp. Then warp the shape according to the shape of the can, nicely like this. Then when you are done, you hit enter. So with this shape layer selected, double click on the smart object, then drag your design onto that. Click OK, click yes. Go back to your can, you will see the design has been applied successfully. Now you have to make a clipping mask, then change the blend mode to multiply. You can reduce opacity or Ctrl L to lighten up a little bit, lighten up the design, something like this. Yes. So we go to go. Guys, please like, share and subscribe.